साळ न्हंयेच्या देगेर फेन्सिंग आणि टेम्पररी स्ट्रक्चर उबारपाक कारमोणा पंचायती कडेन एका मंत्र्यान परवानगी मागल्या। हे विशीं चर्चा करपाक कारमोणाक खासा ग्रामसभा जाली। परवानगी दिवंक ग्रामसभेत विरोध। जागा नो डेव्हलपमेंट झोनात येता, तशेंच CRZ आणि GCZMA एरियेत येता देखून लोकांनी विरोध केला। हे विशीं आशिल्ल्यो त्रुटी CRZ आणि GCZMA बरयतले अशें सरपंच सांगता।
So it was the file was incomplete. So we sent it back, and since it is a public issue, it is regarding the Kazans and CRs and all that, and there was also included in the plan about fencing the thing. When it is a notified bond, we think that when it's a notified bond, it becomes a public issue, and that is why I had called for a extraordinary Gram Sabha to discuss the file.
What has been discussed? Final decision ki zala?
Final decision zala ki CRZ buropache and all the discrepancies. Now in detail I cannot tell you, but it was discussed in detail, all the discrepancies of the CRZ what are there in that file, which that the panchayat should write to the CRZ and get all the clarifications.
They have unanimously, very diligently looked into the file. They have taken opinions, and then they have called for an extraordinary Gram Sabha based on our decision of implementing 243ZD of the Constitution, which is already 80% completed, and about 10% or 15% we are doing now the survey of the people, population.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावियो डायस।